Here are the best gaming monitors under 10,000 rupees. Number 1, MSI Pro M223. MSI Pro M223 is a 21-inch Full HD gaming monitor. It has a refresh rate of 100 Hz and a bezel-less display, which provides an immersive gaming experience. It costs only 6,199, so, if you are looking for a budget gaming monitor, this one is best for you. Number 2, MSI Pro MP241X. MSI Pro MP241X is same as the first one but with bigger 24-inch display. It has slightly less refresh rate of 75 Hz, but it has anti-glare and anti-flicker technology along with bezel-less display, which provides better viewing experience. It costs approx 7,500, so, you can also consider it if you like bigger display. Number 3, Zebronics Gaming Monitor ZA24 FHD. It is one of the best gaming monitor under 10,000 rupees. It has a refresh rate of 165 Hz and maximum brightness of 300 nits. It also has built-in speakers, so you can consider it if you have budget of 10,000 rupees. Number 4, Acer Nitro QG271. This Acer gaming monitor has massive 27 inches Full HD display, with LED backlights. It has a response time of 1 millisecond, with refresh rate of 100 Hz and a maximum brightness of 250 nits. The AMD FreeSync technology provides better and stable gaming performance. It is also a bezel-less gaming monitor, which provides an immersive gaming experience. So, it is the best gaming monitor under 10,000 rupees. Number 5, Samsung Odyssey G3 Gaming Monitor. If you want a budget gaming monitor for a reputed brand like Samsung, then this monitor is best for you. It costs slightly more than 10,000 rupees. But it got some advanced features too. It is a 24 inches Full HD monitor with 165 Hz refresh rate and a response time of 1 millisecond. It is also a bezel-less monitor, with AMD FreeSync Premium technology, which provides an immersive and stable gaming experience. So, you can consider it if you have a budget of 13,000 rupees. Do you also want to customize your Chrome browser like this? Click on the link in the description to know how. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe for more such amazing videos, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to get notified.